So this is Andy, Get Yer Wellies. We are not in our backyard in Arkansas. We are actually, at the time of this video, in Cayman Brac, in the Cayman Islands. Very, very beautiful place. It is actually close to sunset right now. And I'm just showing you, I don't even know much about these plants at all, but I'm looking at all these different plants, and one of the commonalities I'm seeing is these are mostly succulent type plants. Very delicate flowers on a lot of them. Very pretty. This place is similar to a lot of places that are right here by the beach. You see these kind of plants pretty much all over the place. Some small ones here. Well, here's a little hermit crab. They're everywhere, and they'll come out and eat stuff if you put it on the ground. So, you know, as a gardener, I look at plants always with great interest. Here's some really pretty colorful flowers, but not something you would see in Arkansas. Now these are intriguing. Some of you may know more about this than I do. So here's a flower in the process of growing. See the flowers on top and the fruit developing underneath. And I thought, well, I wonder if this is some kind of fruit you can eat. Although I don't recommend trying fruit if you don't know what it is. But this is what it looks like, and it's some kind of, I don't know what they call it, ground mango or wild mango or something. But apparently, we took one in the house. We were going to cut into it and see what was in there. And I'm glad I didn't, because I found out later that this, apparently, it smells like vomit. So, you know, the plant world's just full of all kinds of weird things. Again, this is all mixed in with this very interesting rocks. Many of these things are almost fossilized here. Different shells and corals. Just really cool stuff to look at. I noticed that most of these plants, although they're big and bushy, their flowers, for the most part, are really small. Here's some more of the rock. All kinds of different rocks here, and I think they probably pushed this up to separate properties out. It's sun's about to set over here, so you can see the mist in the distance off of the water. I don't know if you can see that on film, but it looks just like a mist over there in the distance. Hear the waves crashing, that irritating noise. If you've been hearing that, is just the water in the background. So it's rolling in here. This is not a red beach access, you know, for most of the rockets through the island. This is not a place we could really do that from. However, it's very beautiful. This is the southern side of Cayman Brac, so during the day, so to turn around, and then over there in the east, and then set at the end of the island, which is where the airport is, and Yer Wellies at the west. Various palm trees and other bushes here. Some of them small palm trees. like these, and then some tall ones. But yeah, I just thought I'd give you a quick look around, just because this is such a diverse area. It's so different from what I'm used to looking at. You know, we get very spoiled growing things in Arkansas, really all throughout the United States. But here in places like Cayman Brac, although nature flourishes, things grow, you know, you don't see a whole lot of gardens, which is sort of surprising to me. I mean, you know, all this space here, I'd have that filled up with containers of all kinds of things, and maybe they wouldn't make it. Maybe that's why people don't do it here. But whatever the reason, I just wanted to share this with you just for a few minutes, and hope you enjoy it, and look forward to another regular video on Yer Wellies, because I'll be back to more videos here in the next couple of days. Alright guys, thank you. I'll see you next time. As always, bye now.